welcome back. I'm going to do a different type of video today. I am in a rush and I have to do my makeup. Technically, I'm going to my friends to do my makeup again, but I have to do 2 other people's makeup. So I want to do mine first, but I've got to hurry because I got to get going in like 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do is play this video. You can see my face the way it is now. And then we are going to do makeup. I'll come back at the end and say goodbye. But I'm going to play music throughout the video. And I will leave all of the makeup I've used down below. So just in case you guys want to know what it is, it'll be there. But I figure you guys have seen these videos enough that you know what I'm doing. And if you have any questions, just please feel free to ask me. So here we go.
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me so high, so high, so high, so high, so high. You are the only person in the world who can get me this high. So let's get into your car and go driving towards another town. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me so high, so high, so high, so high. Don't be so mysterious, you got me all delirious. 'Cause baby, I am serious. So high, I will keep you to myself, and trust me, there is no one else. No one who can get me so high. So high, so taking turns, not a lesson learned. Who'd imagined I would crash and burn? But you got me there, so I'm declaring a silent war. Can't do it anymore. This is not what I was asking for. But you got me here, then you disappear. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was
All right, guys, so that's it for the makeup. I went a little bit more crazy today. Look at the lashes. This reminds me of my Halloween look. I look like a Halloween lady. Anyway, so my daughter was doing her makeup with me. This is Danica. She is learning a little bit as we go. Putting on some perfume there. But yeah, a little bit more dramatic. We're going to a big birthday party. It's a big thing. And I'm going to be doing my friend's makeup tonight. So I'm heading over there in it now. And I used my Jeffree Star shadow today. So I'm going to make a kit for myself so I can have my makeup there. And then I'm also going to take a kit so I can do my friend's makeup because I'm doing 2 of my friends. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, any questions, comments, leave them down below. I will make sure to get back to you and let you know what products I'm using or what techniques I'm using if that's a question. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.